Rainforest. The activity, I'm going to explain you the activity. Basic is about to rescue the rainforest. What we have to do to rescue the rainforest. Okay. So, for example, I have these statements with these cartoons. I want to explain you the first one. This is the sentence. Okay, so of the word, this is recycle. You have to put choose the recycle with the cartoon, recycle, correct cartoon. Okay, so for example, this is the first one. The sentence, the second one, the sentence is plant trees. Okay, this is the cartoon. Okay, the next one is protect animals. Okay, protect animals. You have to look at the sentences and the cartoon, and then try to remember, because you have to make pairs. Look for the partner that have the correct cartoon with the correct sentence. Okay. The next one is protect plants. Okay, this is the cartoon. The next one is avoid making fires. This is the cartoon. The next one is avoid hunting animals, and this is the cartoon. We have to these sentences ride a bike instead of drive a car. And this is the cartoon for this one. Ride a bike. We have to use public transportation. Okay, this is the cartoon for this one. Okay, we have used both sides of the papers. In this case, it's this one. The cartoon is this one for this one. And next is avoid buy animal from rainforest. Okay, so we have this cartoon for this one. This is like a parakeet inside of